So let's have a quick market update here, guys. It's been a few days since the last one, and let's just have a look at Bitcoin here on the 4-hour chart. And what we can see here is we basically held the recent levels here, the 38% retracement. And what we want to see now is that this area in here, that it acts as support, and that after this we start a new uptrend again on this shorter term time frames. On the weekly, I mean, as well, it looks pretty good, and but we need to take out this 8485, and then we should be on to new higher levels again. And let's have a look at some of the news. Bitcoin Ripple Jigsaw. Two pieces. Here are the last two pieces needed to transform the world. And here's an article talking about 26% of the population in the US is intrigued by Bitcoin, and I mean, it's spreading, right? 26% is pretty cool. It's we could see recently as well. The Kardashians are bringing it up, and I mean, they have millions of subscribers on all kinds of social media. So that must be good. And then they're talking about Ripple here as well. I mean, I don't particularly like Ripple, but you never know. I mean, even these kind of centralized weird coins, they can maybe have some kind of a use. The price might go up. Countries like China and Russia are currently trying to reduce the dominance of the US dollar in international finance, and also as a global reserve currency. Other countries as well don't want the US to be in charge of the global reserve. And clearly a platform that has created a better alternative to Swift is Ripple. So maybe it could be something after all, if you're looking for some kind of adoption or a positive price move. Could be something to look out for. 75% of millennials are more likely to date someone who is into Bitcoin. They're getting smarter, these guys. I didn't think so, but seems like they're waking up. Binance makes its first ever acquisition, Trust Wallet, mobile Ethereum wallet. Well, that's kind of cool for an exchange to do that. I mean, that's pretty big. And they're saying here private keys is only stored locally and is protected with many layers of security. I mean, that's what you want to have, right? And so it seems the crypto is moving to the mobile phone more and more. I mean, you have now Binance doing this move, which is great. And you also have Ethos. They have a mobile wallet. You have other guys as well. I know Pivx as well is coming out soon with with the wallet that you can convert Bitcoin to PivX and so on, and Utrust is working on it. Soon it will be like PayPal is yesterday. Welcome to the crypto world. It seems, at least. Northern Trust with 10 trillion. 11 trillion in assets, getting serious about cryptos, according to Forbes, at least. I mean, this is founded in Chicago in 1889, and they're starting to wake up to this as well. So that's kind of that's an interesting development. And they're also saying here that one day fiat currencies will be issued on the blockchain, which is very likely. I mean, it's here in Sweden, we basically don't use cash anymore, although I still try to use it from time to time. We use mostly the credit card, and so we're already in kind of a digitalized Swedish krona up here. So the next step is to put it on the blockchain. Yeah, I believe so. It's probably coming. And Novogratz, they start trading today on the Canadian exchange. Novogratz, I mean, he was one of the first investors in Ethereum think he bought it when it was like $1 or something, and he comes from a he comes from a hedge fund industry, kind of like myself, and you know, now he's starting his next adventure here, and they also want to get listed on Frankfurt, London, and Hong Kong, and so they want to expand kind of globally, which is nice to see. Major Swiss online bank posts soaring profits after offering clients crypto investing. I mean, this is Swiss Quote, which is like an online bank in Switzerland, and they've recently seen a 44% surge in profits, and probably mostly due to crypto trading back and forth. I mean, they also have Falcon Private Bank, which is was also one of the first ones, together with Bitcoin Swiss, to kind of offer this to clients to different different levels, and so they're certainly in the forefront in this area. And I think that's about it for now. But oh yeah, Paul Krugman here, he expresses skepticism about crypto. This is one of these guys that he just he's probably been negative since Bitcoin was at $10. He keeps on repeating it every $100 or something. So but it's good. There needs to be some skepticism as well out there, otherwise the price would be at $1 million already. So just keep an eye on that. I mean, it looks like it's already turning around here a bit. And A, B, C, we'll see. Does it need to go deeper down here before a new trend starts, or is this more or less it now? At least if we take out this 8384, we should be having a little bit more happy days up here, and something to look at over the next few hours, the next few days. Take care, guys.